Hey guys, it's Blaisha from Smoky Mountain Rod and Customs. We're out here at the Emerald Coast Cruizin show.
Should we go see our friends?
Yeah, sure.
All right, what's up guys? We're gonna run over here, check out our friends at Freedom Trikes, see what all the hype's about. It's basically our go-to mode of transportation at every event we go to. What's up, man?
Hey guys, how are y'all?
Good. What you got going on here?
Oh, man,
People been seeing us talk about Freedom Trikes.
We're selling trikes like crazy.
Really?
Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. If you look around, you see a trike, it's ours.
Building this trike, what are my options?
It is unlimited. Our main objective is not to sell you a completed trike. Our main objective is to sell you a welded frame.
Okay.
Or a kit that you can weld up yourself. Now you can go to our website. Every part you need is on our website. It all comes from Amazon.
Really?
Everybody knows how to use
Amazon. So if I mess something up, I just go back to your site, go back to that part,
add the cart, you're done. They're great.
Simple
So you can put the tires on it you want, the wheels on it you want, you can do it the color you want.
Okay.
But we've already done all the hard work, so they're great. They are absolutely the
Now if I wanted it fully assembled, do you do that?
We do them fully assembled.
But I gotta pay.
That you'd have to pay up front because unfortunately you can't take people at their word anymore. But we will work with you on that.
And it looks like you're innovating too. I see over here, our biggest complaint is somebody having to stand on the back to ride with me to the next
We have
shop.
added a trailer. The trailer gives you the option of a second seat. If you want to buy the trailer complete, then they're $850.
Okay.
If you want to buy one that's not complete, they're $380.
Okay.
So
powder coating, I can get a powder coated frame from you as well,
you can get a powder coated frame from us. All we got to do is just agree on the price and the color, and we'll make it happen.
Okay, cool deal. Well, we're gonna take this thing for a test drive, I think. Maybe get a little bit of content, see how people respond to it.
Yeah.
All right, so never mind on test driving that trike because they're as hot as he was just telling you. It's already sold, so we'll try to catch a glimpse of this guy driving off soon and see how sweet it is. Heck, I don't know, we might even be able to build one here in the next little bit and do it again. We'll see. That's it, folks. It's that quick. If you think you like it, you better buy it. Because now me and Braden can't test drive it.
What's up, guys? Rob and Braden and Taylor. We're here at Emerald Coast.
Awesome pigskin.
About to go walk around, check out some cars. We're sitting in a 67 panel truck, bagged and bodied, laying on the ground.
Just your typical driver, you know. Nothing.
Let's go check out some stuff, walk around.
Let's do it. Good looking truck.
I've got Julie
Yes,
with Chasing Patina. We're at Emerald Coast Cruizin. You're managing to
I'm
keep
cruising.
the pace, yeah.
That's right.
Doing one of these.
Hey, that's the way I drive too.
Where are we headed to right now?
We are headed to the peasant section.
The peasant
The far
section.
back left.
If I'm supposed to be looking for rust / patina,
Correct. It's
I'm
on the
imagining
eye
it's
of
that
the
way.
beholder. Yes, it is.
oh, she's getting wild.
Uh-huh.
All right, well, we're following her. We're with the band. Oh, there
Yep,
it is.
There it is in all its glory.
I'm thoroughly impressed that you can keep that thing going.
Shoot, I'm a driver.
I know, but that thing's not exactly built
Listen.
for precision.
I love to drive. I like to ride anything. Have you seen my scooter?
You're what?
My scooter.
I have not.
You in it? I'm in it to win it, man.
What? If she has anything to do with it after.
Right?
All right, here we are. This. If you were chasing patina, you have found it.
You have found the original, the OG.
All right, 1959.
1970 Chevy jacket.
All right. You
There
go,
you go.
girl. I get it all. You never know.
What have you done to it? Anything? Or
We
did
put some
you-
gas in it.
And you
We
put some
changed-
miles on it.
We put some miles on it. We changed the bag.
miles on it.
What's the furthest you've went in one trip on it?
About 5 hours, 5.5. We normally drive all of our stuff. But because the air conditioning is when the doors are open,
Yeah,
it's hard to go, say, or the heat is when the doors are closed.
yeah.
So like we went to Tulsa last year, we trailered it. We trailered it twice because, yeah, and it was snowing. So we do drive it. We'll drive it to Biloxi. We'll drive it to Jacksonville. We'll drive, but he's got some mods that he's going to be doing to it. Go ahead, tell him what you're going to do.
You're gonna widen the back of it out, cut the wheel tubs, and
Everybody's like,
just put it just a little bit wider back there in the back, because the wheels are actually tucked in up under the back.
let's go look at it. That'd probably be. Let's take a look around it. Seats, everything. That's you bought it that way.
Yeah, that was a Cato.
They got them tucked up in there.
Yeah, I was about to say you definitely have got to have some modifications by fourth.
Bring them out just to make it look a little bit better, you know. I pull all that stuff up and cut it, put a band in there. We'll bring the wheels out.
We're actually doing that too. Well, Quinn's. We're at our shop right now, the Diamond T.
Yeah.
What's your so chasing patina? Tell me about your channel.
So
We go out, knock on doors, and buy antiques and love meeting new people. That's the best part of all of it is the relationships that you build, you know.
but we only drive patina.
Okay.
We only drive patina and we live patina. Like our house is all vintage.
Yeah.
We do.
There's certain like honey pots that you're going to look at.
We just go on a trip and we'll just be gone. People tell us to go here or go there. There's this cool guy, and we go there.
We will literally, if like last year we went to Kentucky.
Yeah.
And we on our way up we met somebody and they said, "Oh my gosh, you've got to check this out." We went 6 hours in a totally different way. Did that. We don't ever have a plan. We meet people. They'll say, "Try to do this." Oh, we know this guy. We
Driving
did-
something old, man, they're not like, they don't pull out a gun and say, "What are you doing?"
Yeah, they're like, all right, these guys have some kind of reason.
We go to swap meets, car shows. We go to estate sales. We do, you name it, we'll do it. Anything that's got to do with anything vintage. That's just what we do. It's our
Cool.
passion.
So chasing.patina on YouTube.
Chasing.patina on the YouTube.
On
On
the-
the YouTube.
On the YouTube. Cool.
And if you want to go to the Facebook, it's just Chasing Patina. Yeah.
Chasing Patina on Facebook.
Yeah.
I'll tag that stuff.
There you go.
Description. What do they say? Like, subscribe. What do you all say? Do you have a thing?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And I say do it all. Whatever you want to do, man, do it all.
if you're going over there to like, comment, and subscribe, there at least like and subscribe to ours.
Something.
If you want to comment, go for it.
Right.
Yeah, cool. Thank you very much for
No.
showing us this.
Thank you, and I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, the Martin brothers did a full thing on it for Cato as a surprise. It's on their TV show, Iron Resurrection. You can go and watch their whole video.
Okay,
But we've just done little things here and there, but it's just fun, man.
Awesome. Well, thank you all for the time.
Sure.
Absolutely.